What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what to buy at Dollar Tree in June 2024. Let's get started. When you walk into Dollar Tree right now, you're going to see their new summer dinnerware collection. Now there's 4 different themes. There's a sea turtle theme, a butterfly theme, a lemon orange theme, and then a watermelon theme. They all have the same items, but just different colors and with that particular theme. Now from these collections, I ended up getting these beautiful tumblers. Now these have an ombre look to them. There's 3 different ones to choose from. These are so pretty. I actually bought these to make favors out of. You can use them for a bachelorette party as favors, a summer party, a summer themed birthday party. You can just fill this up with some little goodies, whether it's a gift card or maybe some little items you found at Dollar Tree. If you have a Cricut, you can label these with the person's name on them. These are so beautiful, or just use them for their intended purpose. So what I ended up doing with these favors was get these hair clips from Dollar Tree that have little fruits on them. They're so cute. Inside of 2 of the tumblers, I put some SPF lip balm, and then inside of 1 of the tumblers, a hand sanitizer. And then I decided to put some sunglasses inside of each tumbler. These turned out so cute. Like I said, they are great for favors or just to use on a day-to-day basis. All the collections also have margarita cups in different colors. Oh my gosh, how pretty are these? Now they are plastic, they are not glass. They are really nice though. I really like the way that they shine. You can make DIYs out of these if you want to. Then they also have these little wine glasses that are also plastic. Again, they have different colors. So there's a red one that goes along with the watermelon theme, and there's a blue one that goes with the butterflies. These are so beautiful. And like, I feel like, you know, put fairy lights inside of here or maybe a solar light, and you can make something that's just a decoration outside. But because the way that this looks, it's really going to make the solar lights or fairy lights glow. These cups are so pretty when the sun hits them. I decided to put some fairy lights inside of the cups and then a solar light, and I placed this outside. The light reflecting inside of the inside of these cups looks absolutely beautiful. These are the last tumblers I have to share with you guys. When you walk away from the dinnerware section, you will see their summer decor, and that's where you'll find these really pretty studded tumblers. How beautiful are they? They remind me of Starbucks tumblers. Now, I don't think they're insulated the same way by any means, but they're still really pretty, and they would be great for a party or for a gift. If your child's still in school and you're looking for a teacher's gift, I feel like this would be really nice. They have 4 different colors: blue, pink, orange, and white. Near the summer, Memorial Day, 4th of July decor, you're going to find these popsicle trays that look like firecracker popsicles. These are absolutely adorable for $1.25. I've seen people use these to make favors out of, but I actually want to use this to create a DIY for outside. I love what I ended up doing with this DIY. I got 3/4 of an inch PVC pipe. Now I bought this a while ago. I had about 12 feet and I cut it down to 2 6-foot pieces. And then I'm gonna hot glue my popsicles to the PVC pipe. Now usually I'm not the biggest fan of using hot glue for things that are gonna go outside, but I know that this was going to be inside of the shade, and hot glue actually sticks really well to PVC pipe. If you're afraid, you can always use a heavy duty glue like E6000. Now to hang these outside, I'm gonna be using these adhesive hooks that I got from Amazon. They work so well. Now I'm going to take 2 zip ties. I got them from Dollar Tree. I'm going to zip tie one to the hook, and then I'm going to loop another one through the one that's already tightened, and then really tie that into place. Then take the one that I haven't closed off, wrap it around the PVC pipe, and then tie it into place. That way the PVC pipe stays put. You could always use 2 hooks if you want to, 3 hooks, whatever works for you. Now I have this outside decor that is so cute. This has been outside for about a week now, and during that week it has been 80 degrees, it has rained, it has been very windy. These things are still going strong. I decided I also wanted to do a cute little favor using these. What you can do is you can place s'mores ingredients on top of the tray. So graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. Then get some plastic wrap and wrap it around your popsicle, and then you can print a little label that has a cute little saying about s'mores. You can go to Google Images, type in free s'more label, and just print one out, and then you're just going to go ahead and place the label on the front of the plastic, and look, just a simple, cute little party favor. Actually, I think this would be great for any party, honestly, during the summertime. I think it's a great gift. This is a new cleaning tool from Dollar Tree that I was really excited about. It's a 2-in-1 bathroom mop head. So basically you can use this inside of your bathroom, in your shower, to clean the walls, to clean the glass. There's a little squeegee part right here, so it does move around. If you need an attachment, you can get the broom handle from Dollar Tree to just twist it at the bottom, and there you go, you have a handle. Now, I know cleaning the house can get very overwhelming, especially if you live with a lot of people, specifically toddlers, and keeping up with deep cleaning can be a big pain in the butt sometimes. So for the first time ever, I actually had a cleaner that was provided by our sponsor for this video, HomeAglow. HomeAglow is a top-rated home service platform dedicated to making your space clean and tidy. To schedule a cleaning, you just go to HomeAglow's website to choose a day or time you're looking for and the duration of your cleaning, and you'll see all available cleaners. Schedule as quickly as this week or get something on calendar for next month to book early and get it done on your to-do list. I was so excited to try HomeAglow. I've never had anybody clean my house before, and in my house there's so much going on. I do full-time work inside of here where I craft, as you guys know, and it's a small house, so I get things everywhere, and even if it's a little bit, it makes the house look dirty instantly. I have 2 toddlers that throw toys around, and we're always going to doctor's appointments every single week. So it was so nice to have Jessica, who was our cleaner for the day, come over. Jessica cleaned the stove for us, made our floors look brand new with the deep cleaning she did in every room, all while I was watching the kids and Matt ran to a doctor's appointment. All cleaners on HomeAglow pass a rigorous certification process and maintain a 4.8-star average rating on the platform. If you want to take home cleaning off of your plate, head to homeaglow.com/Bethany or scan the QR code you see here on the screen to get your first 3 hours of cleaning for only $19. Thanks to HomeAglow for sponsoring this video and this channel. Near the 4th of July items, you're going to find these chip and dip trays and then these star bowls. I actually want to use these to create a tier tray that's going to be perfect for summertime and for summertime parties using the little margarita cups. To turn this into a tier tray, I just use those star trays and then the margarita cups plus a star bowl that I got from Dollar Tree. The star bowl came for $1.25, and then I just fill this up with some treats. You obviously can put whatever you want inside of there. I did sweets and some fruits and marshmallows and then some Cool Whip at the top. This actually turned out super cute, and if I want to, I could probably put fairy lights inside of the cups to make this glow and look really nice at nighttime. This is the only other item I really wanted to highlight in the 4th of July Memorial Day section. It is this wood bead decor, and it's so pretty. Like, you try to buy that at Hobby Lobby or Michael's for this price, I mean, it's not going to be that. If you've been watching my hauls this year, you will see a bunch of Bed Bath & Beyond products that have made their way to Dollar Tree, and I found some more new items. Now, these are all meant for fruits and vegetables. The first one I found is this 2-in-1 melon tool. So there's a spoon to help scoop out the seeds in the melon, and then you can use this little spoon right here to make little balls, which is perfect for a party if you just want small little pieces for people to choose from. Then I found this avocado tool. What it does is it takes the pit seed out of the avocado. Then there's a little knife that you can use to slice the avocado. And then there's a little scooper right here that you can scoop pieces from the avocado. So this is a cool tool if you use avocados a lot, which honestly, we do in my house more than we used to, because Noelle loves avocados, strawberries and avocados, which honestly, those are probably 2 of the more pricey fruits and vegetables. And then I found this garlic chopper. I love garlic, but I can't have it much anymore, you know. Getting old, man. It messes with my stomach. But anyways, this is an easy garlic prep twist and chop. So basically you just put the garlic cloves inside of here, you twist it around, and it will chop up the garlic for you. I found a decoy security doorbell at Dollar Tree. This actually looks a lot like a Ring doorbell. So I recommend having a security system in general. I know they can be pricey, so if you want something more affordable, Dollar Tree has these door window alarms I shared last week. You just put them on at nighttime, and if somebody opens up the door, it makes a really loud chirping noise. That will wake you up. So that's a great affordable option. But these are nice to have on hand to put in the front of your house if you don't have anything, or maybe if you do have something in the front but not in the back, you can put this in the back door or maybe near the windows. So basically, you know, it doesn't have the name or anything, but it does blink when you put batteries inside of it. It looks realistic, and especially at nighttime. So I do recommend getting some of these. Dollar Tree right now is killing it in the picture frame mirror section. These back here are just a few that I've DIY'd. I found these really pretty mirrors right now. I love the shape of them. Now the thing is, I never really like the frame color that comes from Dollar Tree because it looks a little bit too much like plastic to me. So what I like to do is I always like to paint these gold, and if I keep them black, I just use a different black paint to kind of take away from that plastic look. And I think instantly after you paint it, it makes it look so much more high end. And you can always glue a few of these together to make a larger piece. With the margarita and wine cups, they also have these mugs, the exact same colors, the exact same design. There is just a handle and it's a bit taller. If you have any shipping to do during summertime of smaller items, go to Dollar Tree. They always get in the cutest bubble mailers for summertime. So freaking cute. You get 2 for $1.25. I got this watermelon one and this flamingo one. These are so cute. My sister, she does a lot of online selling, and these always come in handy for her. She will get them to make her packaging look super cute. I feel like this would be good for anybody who does online selling of smaller things and they want to show that the package is handled with care. Another item I found in the kitchen section that used to be at Bed Bath & Beyond is this Simple Made sink and sponge caddy. So basically you just put this on the sink and it could hold your sponges. I found a bunch of items recently from there. I did find something that is suctions to the sink where it can hold a bottle brush and then a sponge as well. But this is another great option, especially if you don't have a lot of sink space, to put something that suctions to your sink. These are new to Dollar Tree, these microwave steam bags. You get 6 for $1.25. The way it works is you put the food and seasonings inside of the bag, then you seal it off firmly, place it inside of the microwave. You go ahead and microwave the food. It's going to start blowing up and the air escapes through the valve. Then you're going to want to wait at least 30 seconds before touching the bag after the microwave stops heating it up. And this works really, really well. I tried it with some vegetables, and the vegetables, they were steamed and they tasted delicious. This is by far the cutest item inside of this video. It is this makeup sponge with case. The case looks like a little coffee cup. I recently hauled a coffee cup looking garbage can from Five Below that I used to DIY a gift. You can do the same thing with this. You can use the little cup right here as the little vessel to put some little items inside of and make it a really cute little gift to give to a teacher or maybe for like a birthday party favor. To make the little favor, I took the beauty blender, placed it inside of the cup, and then put some decorative shred from Dollar Tree on top of that. A normal gift card won't fit inside of this, so you'll probably want to do an email gift card, but then place a cutout of a gift card in the inside just to make this look cuter. Then I use balloon glue dots to attach the lids to the cup. That way these don't move around. I also decided to take an old coffee cup sleeve, cut it down, and then glue that around the little cups to make it look more like a coffee cup. How cute did this turn out? And then another thing you can do is put a K-cup in the inside of this instead of the beauty blender. I don't know, I just think this is so adorable. These are new to Dollar Tree. You're going to find them in the party section. It's these paper lanterns, but what's nice is you get 3 for $1.25. Highly recommend them for decor for your parties. And what I would do is I would put some flowers, whether real or fake, at the bottom of the lantern and then put an LED candle in the inside of it. And it would just look really pretty, especially for like a garden themed birthday party or even a bridal shower. These are new to Dollar Tree. It is these storage straps. You get 2 for $1.25. They have a smaller one and a larger one. I was excited about this because what you use this for is any of your electronics, the power cord that's hanging off of them, like your glue guns. You might have a really long power cord and it's always hanging around. You just use this to strap it into place. If you have a drill that's not cordless, you can use it for that. They just come in super handy if you have any cords that are just kind of dangling around and you want them to be nice and organized and easier to put away. You're going to find these at the front of Dollar Tree when you're checking out these silicone ice molds. Now they each only make 1 piece of ice, but the ice are on the larger side, so you can do a round piece of ice or a square piece of ice. And they work well in smaller size glasses or just a normal size wine glass or a normal size mug. If you use a bigger cup, you're probably going to need more than just 1 piece of ice to keep your drink cool for long. These are new to Dollar Tree, these anti-theft locator cases. So basically they hold an Apple AirTag or anything that's a knockoff and round like that. You can put this on your keys to make it easier to find your keys. Now what I've seen people actually do with these is they put them on their children. So like when you go to Disney World or an amusement park, any place that's going to be very crowded, or even, you know, in general, what you can do is you can hang the Apple AirTag off of a keychain like this on your child's belt strap that's on their pants. And that way, you know, God forbid you lost your child or something, it'll be easier to locate where your child is. And what I see is people just kind of shove it inside of their pants or they put it inside of the pocket so it doesn't show as much. Earlier this year, Dollar Tree got this peppermint sage cleaning spray. They got some wipes now, and there's 30 wipes inside of this, and the smell of this smells exactly like it says, peppermint and sage. It's a stronger smell. I'm pretty sure it's made with these particular ingredients because it says on there, don't touch your eyes when you're using this. And this actually smells like very clean. If you like the smell of peppermint, highly recommend these. Okay, so this is very gimmicky, but I wanted to give it a try. Dollar Tree got a phone selfie in, but it's so cute. It has little like panda or bear ears. There was different colors. I got the yellow one. So basically it just adds more light if you're trying to take a selfie on your phone. And I actually prefer to use this type of light versus the flash. I feel like the flash is just always too much and never comes out good. So I would prefer to use these little ones. I don't know, we're just gonna give it a try. I thought it was cute. I was so excited about this. You guys know me, I love to craft. In the crafting section of Dollar Tree, you can find wood peg dolls. They've never carried them before. There's two different ones to choose from. So there's one where all the dolls are the same height, and then there's one where you have 4 different heights. So basically you can make a little family out of them. I have seen people take these and use them for Halloween to make the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus or the Nightmare Before Christmas. So I bought these to give that a go and just try it out. They are so cute, and I love the fact that it's real wood. I love this. Dollar Tree is bringing back disco right now with these disco balls. First off, these disco tumblers. Now, the thing about these is I have purchased these in the past for $3 each in the Bullseye Playground, and I've never seen them anywhere else. So right now you can get them for $1.25, and I actually bought a few of these for Cooper's birthday party. I'm doing a Danny Go themed birthday. I don't know if you guys know who Danny Go is, but he sings a song called Disco Unicorn, so I bought that. And then they have these disco ball ornaments, and these are going to be great for Halloween. So I would think ahead. If you see some of these, you can get a few. They're a pretty good price because the price of a bigger pack of the disco ornaments, I think you get like 6 of them, and it's like $14.99, something like that at Hobby Lobby. So for $1.25 each, it's not a bad price. So Dollar Tree carries this brand of hand soap called Delta Home. It is my favorite hand soap, especially the eucalyptus one. This one is the one that I always have in my house, and all the time when people come over, I always get compliments on the way that this hand soap smells. They're like, where did you get it from? I say Dollar Tree. Right now they have a bunch of summer scents, and what's nice is the packaging. It looks really high-end compared to like the other hand soaps that Dollar Tree carries. Now, these don't say antibacterial on them at all, but I was reading about it because I thought that you always have to have antibacterial hand soap to really make sure that your hands are clean. That's not true. There's no actual studies that prove that that is any more effective at cleaning your hand versus hand soap that doesn't say that. I don't know. Found it interesting. Anyways, the Delta hand soap, highly recommend. Now, this is the only item I have to share with you guys from the plus section. I found these stackable organizers from Dollar Tree for $5 each. Now, I have owned stackable organizers in the past. I had them in Cooper's bedroom. I ended up getting some more because in the basement with Noelle, we have been gifted smaller little toys for her. Not small, but you know, baby toys. And I wanted somewhere to put them where they wouldn't be near all of like Cooper's toy cars and just keep everything more separated and organized. So I did find these, and I was really excited about them because I feel like for the price, it's not bad considering you could get stackable organizers that are a little bit smaller in the Bullseye Playground for $5 when they have them. Finally, I have a beauty product that I wanted to try. The packaging looks really nice, and I was looking at reviews and people seem to like it. It's this Lumen Face Moisturizer. It's meant for dry skin. I have very, very dry skin, so I wanted to give it a try. I usually do not buy moisturizers or like face serums from Dollar Tree unless they are name brand, because I feel like though the packaging looks nice and it looks high end, the ingredients is just not the same of what you're gonna buy somewhere else. But I heard good things about this, and I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. For $1.25, why not see if it works? It says it helps hydrate skin, calms sun damaged skin, and smooths and softens skin. So that's it for what to buy at Dollar Tree in June 2024. Again, thanks to Home & Glow for sponsoring this video. It was such a fun experience. I would definitely do it again because it's nice to have peace of mind about something that you've been meaning to get done and somebody else did it for you while you were still able to take care of other things. Anyways, again, thanks to Home & Glow for sponsoring this video and to you guys for watching it. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.